The L100 heavy-duty switch is used for mill and foundry applications. It does, however, come in several different forms. Two of these forms, the L100 and L300, differ significantly. The L100 heavy-duty mill and foundry limit switch is used in a variety of applications. It does come in several forms and styles, and we'll discuss two of those here. The L100 is used in many applications where the lever fits securely to the body and is held in place with a set screw. The L300, however, differs in the fact that it has a large bushing and rubber boot over the joint between the shaft and the body of the limit switch. Installing the lever on the shaft puts the lever parallel with the front of the body, but not extending beyond that front surface. Any heavy material in a foundry application cannot get trapped under the lever and bind it. This is the significant difference in appearance between the L100 and the L300. Other differences do apply. Because of the heavy-duty application for foundries and dirty environments, the L300 has stronger springs and is a slightly more rugged device. It will last longer in dirty and heavy-duty